Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruchi Kumari and today I'm back here with another video, another interesting video. I am pretty sure many of y'all are going to like, but before that just want to show you my liner, which is quite messed up. Anyway, moving on. If you have seen that side, have a look at this side, which is completely messed up. But here we are not here to talk about my liner, which is completely messed up, which is because I used the colossal liner from Maybelline, which I absolutely hate but have to finish. Had I used my Faces Canada one, this liner would have been really precise and perfect. Trust me, you need the correct liner to make your liner game strong. So today I'm here to review two of my very favorite highlighters. Okay, so this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. You can see I've touched pan on this. I bought it 1 or 2 years ago, and this is Champagne Fizz by K Beauty, K by Katrina. And you can you see the similarity between these two colors? Like, they're almost similar. You can just see. Okay, so they are very similar, and that's why I bought them, because I loved this color on me. This color looks really nice. This is the rose goldy color, where same goes for this color as well. So I wanted to show you all like a little comparison. That's why nothing on my face, no blush as well. So probably I'm gonna start with some blush, and for that I'm going to use my Too Faced palette. Like, such pretty blush colors here. So of course I'm gonna use this one, and then I'm just gonna move ahead and use the highlighter. So I'm gonna use this fluffy brush here. Just gonna dip my I just go around these 9 colors, like such pretty blush colors. And here I go. I think I'm done with the blush. I don't know why it doesn't translate into the camera that well, because I put a lot more than needed actually. So I think I am pretty much happy with the blush I have put. Now moving on to highlighter. So I don't know for what occasion, but I'm going to use today this super huge fan brush from this Folklore brush set that I have. So for my right side I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, and for the left side I'm gonna use the For the left side I'm gonna use my K Beauty highlighter. Okay, before I show you all the swatches, how they turn out on my cheeks, I wanted to ask you all to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and watch this video till the very end. If you like it, give it a huge thumbs up. Alright, let's go in. We are digging in. Let's see, I'm gonna dig in the same way. See, I'm using this side for Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna use this side, which is like super clean, for okay. Whoa, pretty. Oh wow, I love this. So subtle. I'm sorry if I'm looking on top. I'm just looking at myself. So this is like subtle. So first time when I put, it was subtle. Now if I keep on doing that, I think it's turning into a blinding one. I'm just gonna put here on my temple as well. Ooh. Ah, I love it. It looks super gorgeous. Now I'm gonna try it on my chin. Whoa. I really like it. I'm shining. And how? Look at this side, no highlighter. Look at this side. God, goddess level highlighter. I'm just gonna put it on my temple as well. Amazing. Now this is this. So initially this is a little bit subtle, and then the second time, trust me, the second time you put it, it's blinding. Now we are going to use this side and we are going to try the K-Beauty one. First of all, let me talk about the packaging before I go on to the K-Beauty swatch. Okay, I'm just gonna hide this ugly mascara or liner with my hair. Okay, so looking at the packaging, I obviously feel the K-Beauty packaging is really nice because you see the component, it's like a rose gold packaging and it's really sleek. So is this one, like they're kind of same, but what happened was like there is no click sound. First it used to click, but then that part broke, which was here, and now it doesn't click, so it can open up anytime. So of course packaging wise this is kind of flimsy. Okay, nevertheless good. This is like a square packaging, this is like a circular packaging. You do not get any mirror or whatsoever with this. However, with this is really meant for traveling because you get a mirror as well. So amazing. See, I was gonna drop. So you get a mirror as well, which is amazing because if you're just carrying one thing from K-Beauty, you're getting a mirror as well, and you don't need anything. You don't need to carry an extra mirror, so that's what is good about it. However, this costed around, I don't remember, but I will be putting a link. But oh, see, I just dropped this one. Okay, now it broke completely. It fell down on my lap and it broke. Lol. That's what I was talking about, a flimsy packaging affected this way, but then this is kind of old as well. But yeah, nevertheless I was never very happy with the packaging of this one. However, this is really good. Now this cost around $7.99, okay, which is 800 basically, and this is around 500, which you can always find it on discount. For this one, not always, because this is only exclusively available on Nykaa, whereas this one is available on Hoke Makeup, Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, everywhere. So if you're not getting on discount, even on Myntra, so if you're not getting on discount on one of this, the other one will definitely have. And Hoke Makeup, trust me, every time it has a sale on Wet n Wild going on. So yeah, you can purchase. So that way, that one is more affordable. Let's move on to the swatch of K-Beauty. Digging in, like how I dug in, and let's see. Slowly starting to build up. Okay, this is really subtle as compared to the Wet n Wild one. See, it's very slowly building up. I have to dig in a lot of times to give it a blinding glow. So this is very good for if you are not too much into highlighters, or if you are going for that subtle within kind of glow. And then I'm gonna use it on my nose. So personally I dug in a lot and I still couldn't get the beaming highlight as I got with the other one, with the Wet n Wild one. So I think I like it, but I prefer my Wet n Wild one more because it was just one swipe or two swipes and I got like a blinding glow. Still, see, here you can literally see, and here it's not like blinding, it's little less. So not very happy. I think I was really excited to buy, like heard all the reviews. People said a lot of nice things about it, and nevertheless it's good, but it's not, if you are into beaming blinding highlighters, you want like that one side swipe glow, I don't think the K by Katrina one is for you. I think you should go for Wet n Wild Mega Glow one or something better, but my comparison was within these two. So if you like it, give it a huge thumbs up. Okay, now with this I think I would like to conclude. Leaving packaging aside, I think I really like the Wet n Wild Mega Glow one, and that's why you can see I have touched pan. The color is beautiful. Let me show you a hand swatch. Okay, so this is this beautiful rose gold color, and let me show y'all. This feels like butter though. Oh, okay, I see something. This K by Katrina one is a little bit chunkier as well. It's a little bit chunkier as compared to the Wet n Wild one. On hand, the K1 translated very well. I think on face, the Wet n Wild translated very well. So let me just add from the hand. Let me see if I can. With fingers, I think it's coming really nicely. With the brush, it wasn't. I'm using the one on my hand only. Yeah, with finger, it's coming pretty good. Maybe then use your fingers to apply this highlighter. That's all I can recommend. Okay, so now if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and if you want me to do a comparison video with something else, do let me know, because I know you've been loving all my comparison videos. So do let me know what you want me to compare it to, and I will definitely try to do it. Please keep it in range. Maybe I am trying. I will try to go, you know, maybe a little high-end. Of course, even I like high-end products, but yeah, not always. I cannot afford all the high-end brands available out there. I can maybe try one or two, which even I gravitate towards. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. See you in next video. Bye bye.